Hey, my fourth graders. I just wanted to hop on here and give you a couple of reminders. Number one, I love you and I miss you very, very much. I apologize for Monday. I was very sick and still trying to get over whatever I may have. And then yesterday I was at my math meeting, and that's where I'm at today. I wanted to give you a couple of reminders and go over multiplying fractions real quick with you. I left in the plans for you all to complete bell ringers and that it was on Canvas. Now, a couple of you did on Monday, but I hadn't checked this morning, but I didn't see anybody that completed on Tuesday. So after your task 3, which I'll show you in just a minute, you need to go back and go to bell ringer Monday, bell ringer Tuesday, bell ringer Wednesday, and complete those. They're just 6 questions. I need you to try your best on those. We are going to go over those tomorrow when I come back, okay? This is very important. We've talked about everything that I leave you or assign you to do has a purpose. So these need to be completed in class today after you do task 3, okay? Second of all, I have put Wednesday up, and I'm going to put my video that I'm making here right up at the top, okay? Again, everything that you are to do, I always put on Canvas for you. These right here, these page numbers are very important. I hope you are getting them complete. I know this was a kind of new concept. We had talked about multiplying fractions when we counted around the room, but you have a video that I'm going to continue. It's actually right here also, but it's going to be at the very top of Wednesday right here, okay, that you can click to review, and I'm going to do a sample problem with you in just a minute, okay? Now, I know I communicated with some of you all about Blooket yesterday. Blooket is not in my lesson plans today. Today, you are to focus on multiplying fractions by whole numbers. You are to complete those bell ringers for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and you are to make sure that you complete those page numbers listed below. Okay? That's very important for me to return tomorrow, that those things are complete. Okay? Some of the bell ringer questions may require you to use your journal. I would encourage you to show your work. Some of the questions may be 2-step problems, so you're going to have to really think deeply of what the numbers are and what they represent and determine what you need to do to find the solution. Okay, and I apologize. I know I'm talking kind of soft. I'm still not feeling well, but I wanted to make sure to hop on here real quick and give you those reminders. Now, I'm going to go over one question. This is actually on page 412, so if you've not completed that yet, this is page 412, and it's number 6. It says, Richard's recipe for chocolate chip cookies requires 1/4 cup of sugar. He wants to make 6 batches of cookies. How much sugar does he need? Well, I know this problem is about making chocolate chip cookies, which is perfect with fractions. You know me and food. I know that each batch, there's that word each. Each batch requires 1/4 cup of sugar. He wants to make 6 batches. So I'm going to be multiplying 6 times 1/4. Now, I know we have not solved a problem like this together yet, but there is examples, again, in that multiplying, that video right there. But we've also skip counted around the room. Okay, so it really is the same thing. We know that skip counting is multiplication. So if I have 6 times 1/4, what that really means is that I have 6 1/4. 6 1/4. Okay, so I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1/4. So I think I've gone off the screen. Okay, and I know when I add fractions that we keep the denominator the same because I'm not changing the size whole. So if I add 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, I'm going to get 6/4. Okay, so that answer you could leave as an improper fraction. That means that the numerator is bigger than the denominator, or you could put into whole numbers and fractions. So if I were to do that, I know that how many fourths is one whole? 4/4 is one whole. Then I have 2/4 left over. So I could say that 6/4 is equal to 1 whole and 2/4, or, oh, some of you got it, 1 whole and 1/2. Okay? So be mindful of the meaning of multiplying fractions and what that means, okay? And what that looks like. Please complete those pages that I've assigned, because that's going to get us ready for what we need to be doing when I get back, okay? If you struggle, that's all right. This is brand new, but refer back to that video. Watch this video again if you just need that visual, okay? All right, so just as a recap, today, make sure you are following all of our Roosevelt Bears That Care expectations. You can do it, okay? Please take care of you. I'm looking around the room and there is a lot of things that were left out. There's even paper underneath my refrigerator right now. Make sure you are taking care of our materials. That's number 4 on our 4th grade family values. It says, I will take care of our space and the materials in it. Okay? Number 2, make sure you are showing respect to each other and to the teacher, whoever may be in here. Doesn't matter if I'm here or not. Those expectations and those values need to be followed. Okay? Number 3, make sure you get those bell ringers complete. Okay? First thing you're going to do in math is you're going to do task 3. Okay? I know sometimes these can be a little bit more difficult, but you're going to follow that task routine of 10 minutes on your own, or ever how much. Let me see what I put for this task. 10 minutes on your own, 10 minutes or more to compare your answers and work together, and then you're going to turn that paper in. We're going to review these. Not only if we get to it tomorrow, great. If not, next week. These are important conversations we need to have. So after your task 3, you are going to complete Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday's bell ringers. And you're going to take your time and try your hardest. And then you're going to finish those page numbers that are listed below. Okay? That is your goal. No book it today, okay? We've got a lot of things we need to do and focus on. And if you have all of that done, great. There are things on Study Island and CERN, or even practicing those math facts, because we're getting ready in our next unit to start multiplying 2-digit by 2-digit numbers. So we need to be ready for that, okay? Again, I apologize. My voice is not very strong, and I'm still not feeling 100%. I'll try to check in as much as I can today. But remember, I love you, I'm thinking of you all, and I miss you terribly, okay? Today is a new day, and I want you to make it a great day, okay? I'll see you all soon.